Say hi, Kaylin. Say hi. There we go. That's better. Say hi. Are you ready for your first big girl food? You don't look very happy.
What was that look for?
Hi. Oh, look at the light. Formula and rice cereal. Yum, yum, yum.
Yep, pay no attention to the blooming onion over there.
Let's see how this goes. Are you ready? Are you ready? She's a natural.
Oh.
Scotty, stop. Scotty, it's not for you. You want some more? Here. It's better than your hands, I promise. Here.
Oh no, my hands are pretty good.
Come. Here. Can you move her hand out of the way? I kind of... Ready? She's trying to suck it like a bottle. Uh-oh. Hey, some of it made it to the mouth. Hi. Oh. She's like, I don't understand. It's okay. 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 Are you going to be grumpy for Grandma on camera? Yay. Want some more? Here. She's like, well, this will shut me up. Oh, it's getting everywhere.
Oh, just wait.
Oh, I know. And I'm not doing a very good job of putting her on camera either. Mommy's really not so good at this. One of us should have been holding the camera.